Duri lang po. Inya mo.
Para sa ating reading, yung nakapagpapag sa inyo, Bible.
Kaya lang, well, oh.
136. Psalm 136. And your request is God Jesus Christ. Just to give reference.
Stand up.
God into that. Ako lang magbasa, magkasunod ng Psalm chapter 136. Give thanks unto the Lord, for He is good, for His mercy endureth forever. Give thanks unto God of gods, for His mercy endureth forever. O give thanks to the Lord of lords, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him who alone doeth great wonders, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him that by wisdom made the heavens, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him that stretched out the earth above the waters, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him that made great lights, for His mercy endureth forever. The sun to rule by day, for His mercy endureth forever. The moon and stars to rule by night, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him that smote Egypt and the firstborn, for His mercy endureth forever, and brought out Israel from among them, for His mercy endureth forever. With a strong hand and with a stretched out arm, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him which divided the Red Sea into parts, for His mercy endureth forever, and made Israel to pass through the midst of it, for His mercy endureth forever. But overthrew Pharaoh and his host in the Red Sea, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him which led His people through the wilderness, for His mercy endureth forever. To Him which smote great kings, for His mercy endureth forever. And slew famous kings, for His mercy endureth forever. Shaul, king of Amorites, for His mercy endureth forever. And Og, the king of Bashan, for His mercy endureth forever. And give their land of an heritage, for His mercy endureth forever. Give an heritage unto Israel, His servant, for His mercy endureth forever. Remembered us in our low state, for His mercy endureth forever. That hath redeemed us from our enemies, for His mercy endureth forever. Who giveth food to all flesh, for His mercy endureth forever. And give thanks unto God of heaven, for His mercy endureth forever. Can I close up on silent prayer? Most gracious Heavenly Father, Lord, salamat ninyo sa buhay ninyo magbabasa. Salamat, Lord, sa iyong kaayos sa akin. Sa iyong mercy, Lord, walay katapusan ninyo sa among oras. Salamat, Lord, na sa ministry ng hatag ng mga Ginoo. Hindi ko bilang Ginoo, kundi masimba kami. Lord, ikaw, Lord, mag-auban sa mga aking isang kaming service na mag-untang ko. Pagod kami, Ginoo, ikaw, Lord, sa tawag sa inyo. Lord, hold in your power, mag-sama ko ito sa akin. Kasi himaya ka na mo, Ginoo. Arit na lang, Lord, salamatan na mo ginatugyan sa alas Kristo ng Alas